Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. I have just knocked off from work and I am here at my site, outside my site. I always make sure that I'm done with this challenge or recording this challenge before I can get to do all the things that I normally do after work. Do you want me to be honest? The fact that I'm here today on this platform is a testament to my commitment to this challenge. Otherwise, I've got no business coming here on TikTok to do what I'm doing because I'm exhausted. I don't feel like doing it. Today, it feels even more like a burden. I know, I'm being honest. I'm being honest here. It's just that I have learned in life that the things that are going to benefit you, the things that are going to make you a better person, do not come natural. You just have to be intentional and be determined and push. Keep going until you get your breakthrough. Otherwise, feelings, they will deceive you. They will short circuit you. The only thing I can say today to inspire you is to show up even when it feels uncomfortable. That's how I'm feeling today. And I've never felt this way since I started this challenge. What is it? Is it day 8? Number 8 is a problem, to be honest, because the way I feel. Stay blessed. Bye.